is one of you, my new subscriber, my old subscriber. Thank you so much. I love you guys so very much. So in today's video is about I'm cleaning. So today I'm gonna clean the bathroom. It's really a mess here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's dirty everywhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean because I like to have a clean house. I like to see everything clean because once the stuff is not in order, it's not clean, it drives me crazy. I feel like something is missing. So if you want to see more, before we go ahead and start this video, if you are new here, go ahead, consider subscribing to my channel for more video like this, and turn on your notification bell. You'll be notified every single time I post a video, and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this video, and share this video with friends and family. That will mean a lot to me. So without further ado, without me wasting your time, without me talking too much, let's jump to the video. So like I mentioned, it's pretty mess here. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and clean, and then I'll go ahead and clean the shower as well. It's pretty mess here. So yeah, I'm gonna start like I mentioned earlier, that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the bathtub, because this is the hardest part for me. I'm gonna start with that, and then I'll move maybe to here, clean this area, and then I'll move on the shower. All right, guys, I clean everything. The bathroom is looking super clean. I am happy. Everything is clean. And my bathtub is clean as well. And this corner, I usually have a hard time to clean it, but I did it. It's clean. The floor is clean. And the shower is clean as well. You can see. I'll show you guys inside. Everything is clean. I am super happy. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I am extremely happy now. My bathroom is clean. So I am one happy woman, because when the bathroom is dirty, the house is dirty in general, he gave me a headache. So I'm happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family. And I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye.